What do you got there? Hey, Joe. What do you got there? Who is that?
No.
Who do you have?
Yeah.
Oh, there's Oscar. Who else is on Oscar's trash can? Who else is on Oscar's trash can right here? Who's this?
Slimy.
Slimy.
Slimy?
Yeah.
Slimy. Slimy.
Slimy is a worm. Worm. Trash can, right?
Yes. I do it big, show me. Show me, son. Show me. Book.
And your books are all over the floor. Pick one on the floor. What are you doing, you silly?
Elmo.
Oh, there's Elmo. Who else do you see? And Grover, too? Who else? Elmo. Who's next to Elmo?
Elmo.
Where's Grover? Right. And where's the man with the blue head? Very good, there's the man with the blue head. Very nice. Say, I love you. I love you.
Sit down.
You want to sit down?
Sit down.
Okay.